Good morning, everybody. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about what I've learned in this food and beverage industry, and then what is the purpose of standard operating procedure or SOP, and then why a server needs to have a good knowledge about what food they are serving to the guest, and then what criteria is required to be a good leader. So, firstly, I'm going to start with what lessons which I have learned during my course in food and beverage industry. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the hard skill, which is the practical knowledge of the food and beverage industry. So I have learned many things. I've learned about different types of utensils such as chinaware, glassware, and silverware. And then I also learned how to clean them and how to prepare them before service, such as wiping them with a soft cloth or linen without the fingers touching, so there are any fingerprints on the utensils. That is one example. And then I learned about how to set up a table with different types of setup, from the setting of the linen into all of the utensils. And then I also learned about what to prepare before service. So it's like the mise en place, such as uh, the notebook about reservation or the utensils, etc. And then uh, I've learned about soft skill such as focus and attention to detail. So as a server, of course, we need to be attentive to detail and have empathy to guests. So we can deliver good service to the guest. And then the purpose of SOP, it is to increase efficiency and also to to increase consistency in our service. And then as a server, we also need to have good knowledge about the product that we are selling to the guest, because guests has different needs and also have different requirements and dietary needs. For example, uh, a guest might be allergic to nuts, which is, if I remember, is a very dangerous allergy. So as a guest, as a server, I need to make sure that if a guest is allergic to nuts, I need to know whether or not the food has nuts in it. Or maybe if a guest doesn't like particular foods, for example, myself, I don't like shrimp, so maybe I can recommend them a non-seafood option. And then, what is the criteria need to be a good leader? Firstly, I think a leader needs to be uh, a good communicator, so they can coordinate with various elements in the kitchen, such in the restaurant, such as the kitchen and also other server. So for example, if a problem occurs, they can coordinate with other members to lessening the impact of the miscommunication. And then secondly, I think a good leader needs to have charisma, so your subordinate or coworker will respect you and listen to what you say. So the leadership process as a whole will become smooth. And that is all that I can say in this video. Thank you for watching.